Hi everyone, this is Natasha from Divine Creations. In today's tutorial, we're going to focus on how to create planner stickers. These are fun, cute, and also beautiful designs, and you can make them unique. So this is the sticker sheet I made last night, and these patterns were used from the Silhouette Design Store. They're free and beautiful. Here's the second page of the sticker sheet. Has all your icons, everything you need. So today, this is the images we're going to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to choose our registration marks, because this is a silhouette, and you have to put your registration marks on first because it will make things a lot easier when it's time to print and cut your stickers. And as you see, I like to adjust the advanced settings. I take the top three and push them all the way to the end, and then the last one, I leave it alone. So now it's time to go ahead and start to import our images and our designs. The clip art that I have here included digital paper, which is great. So we're going to just choose the paper that we like and import, and you can scale the image as your preference if you like. And I'm going to make our top two banners the same design. And all I'm doing is just selecting our boxes and then select your image. And the shape in the middle, once we add our design behind it, you'll see that it's a white, but it's pretty sheer so that you can still keep a track of your notes and be able to see all the important information without interrupting the designs behind it. And that's pretty much it. You just go through, select your squares, choose your designs, and import. And so this video is not super long. I'm going to go ahead and speed it up, son, just so you can see how I go through and just design each box with the digital paper of my choice. So now that we have all our top layer boxes all designed, I am now going to design our last four boxes, and by doing it, I'm going to select the color dropper so that I can keep all my boxes matching with the rest of the theme in this sticker kit. So I'm just using the little dropper, and I'm going around selecting different colors to change those clear boxes at the bottom. I like to decorate the boxes with clip art, and I'm just going to move our images around until I am happy with the design on top of our boxes. So now that our first sticker sheet is completely designed, and I have checked the cut settings, and it's going to cut the border, which is amazing, I'm going to do the same steps on the second sticker sheet. I'm adjusting my registration marks. As you see here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select each box. I'm going to add my designs, and that's going to be it. Hopefully this tutorial has helped you. Please like and subscribe. Please remember to support me on my Patreon if you like what you see and you would like to see more tutorials from me. Again, thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.